Hi, good morning. Vieira here with Autonomous Trading. Today I have great news for you. You should buy shares of Nvidia and Amazon since the company, Autonomous Trading is a division of Intuitive Code, is offering luxury holidays in Dubai worth 50,000 US dollars. In other words, shares of these two companies, at least, they are going to soar to new all-time highs. I repeat, shares of Nvidia and Amazon, they are going to soar to new all-time highs. These are two of the best companies in the world to invest in. If you are not an investor, we recommend that you buy shares of these two companies, and while you buy shares of these companies, we offer you 50,000 US dollars to spend on holidays in the United Arab Emirates, where our company is located. Having said this, we have a strong buy rating in shares of Amazon since $77, and we have a strong buy rating in shares of Nvidia since $12.65. I invite you to visit the website, the blog of the companies, where we have been explaining throughout the years how to invest in these two companies. Amazon, the single best tech company in the world. Nvidia, also the best company that no one believed in. But today you should buy shares of Nvidia. I'm referring to this recommendation on Nvidia. If you are short, you should cover your short positions. And this recommendation, it is available on Twitter in real time, unlike scammers on the web. Moreover, I also refer to the recent earnings call made available to investors worldwide for free, precisely addressing Nvidia. And finally, I'm buying Amazon. I've been a long-term investor in Amazon, and you have here the article for you to read, to refer to, and I can click on it precisely for you to have it as a reference. Artificial intelligent algorithms, in this particular case we are referring to Perelman, buying Amazon ahead of the coming Apple earnings, all right? And here you have a massive long position in Amazon. Amazon, the share price is profoundly undervalued, okay? So strong buy since $77. Shares of Amazon are worth more than $1,700. So you have still plenty of time for you to profit from the coming bull market in the US tech sector, all right? So going back here to the title, don't forget, buy Nvidia and Amazon, and we give you also 50,000 US dollars for holidays in the UAE. And with this I terminate. Don't worry, this is done utilizing artificial intelligence. Therefore, you do not have any risk whatsoever doing this. Thank you.